night, May 14th, lunchtime, heading south on 167, coming to the town of Maurice. Nice little thunderstorm developing over the town between there and Leroy, just sitting there, steaming, ready for something to happen. Maurice is south, Leroy's towards the southwest. We'll see what we get. Heading west on Highway 92 towards the town of Indian Bayou, just left Maurice. Nice little tropical thunderstorm popping up. And here comes the rain. We're heading to the north here in a second, so I get out of this rain. Till then, bye-bye. Alright, I lied. I ended up heading south and trying to get south and west of the storm. Come to the little town of Leroy. I'm on Highway 699. That's 343 heading back towards Abbeville, the east side of Abbeville. So I'm out of the rain now. I'm kind of between two storms. We'll find an open spot to sit at and see what happens. Keep you posted. And of course, the big town of Leroy. Don't blink, you might miss it. Alright, I'm on T. Robbie Road, heading south to T. Robe Road, heading towards Highway 14. Nice, good gravel mud road. Once I get past these trees here, hope to see something. There we go, guys. That looks like a wall cloud. And look at the ducks flying to the rice field. And it may not be a wall cloud, but it does look pretty.
feet.
Alright, we are north of Highway 14, kind of a line between Leroy and Kaplan, southwest of Kaplan. Some farmer roads, rice fields, and the next little line of Thunderstorm coming up from the Gulf. They are reporting some tropical thunderclouds being seen between here and Lake Charles. See, this is looking towards the west. Nice little thunderstorm building right there. Looking north, the storm I drove through to get here looks pretty impressive. I'm going to have to drive to that to get back to work. And this is looking east. But that does look interesting right there. It's probably about 5 miles away. And that storm's just still sitting there, just growing, the one over Maurice. And boy, these horseflies hurt when they sting you. Son of a... Ow! Sorry about that. "12:36 p.m. Looking northeast towards the town of Maurice. I am currently still southwest of Leroy, which is in that direction. A storm is starting to get more thunder, a little more active, the one over Maurice. It's gotten bigger and is slowly drifting to the north with a slight east jog. We've got some debris clouds coming off of it, coming off the back side of it from the outflow. So the outflow from that storm might meet the outflow of this storm, might get something overhead. But you know what? I'll give you back at work at 1 o'clock. This is the storm to the south, still just sitting there getting bigger, ever drifting ever so slightly to the north towards us. That's looking past the town of Abbeville towards the southeast. Nice little storm building right there. So this 20% chance of rain day has gotten a little better than 20%, I'd say. And we got a slight breeze coming at us now from that outflow, from that storm to the north.